Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to screenshot without button on Poco C65 easily. Okay guys, so you can take a screenshot by using the volume button and the power button. But you can also guys to take a screenshot without using any button on your phone. And how to do that is quite easy, and now I will show you how. Okay guys, so first thing first that you have to do is you can scroll down or swipe down to go to control center, and there will be a feature screenshot. So now you can screenshot without pressing any button guys. And the second way is you can go to settings menu, and then you can scroll down and go to additional settings, and then go to gesture shortcut, and here you can click for take a screenshot, and you can activate slide 3 fingers down, and now you can take a screenshot by slide down 3 fingers like this and without pressing any button. And the last way is you can do the screenshot by using accessibility menu, and then here you can turn on the accessibility menu first, and yeah, on this shortcut there will be a feature to screenshot. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to take a screenshot without any button on Poco C65, and thank you so much for watching guys.